Welcome to MM8. Today we're exploring one of the most talked about mental and physical training methods in the world, the Wim Hof Method. You may have heard the name. Maybe you've seen the ice baths, the breath work, or the wild claims about controlling your nervous system. But who is Wim Hof? And what's actually behind this method? Wim Hof is a Dutch athlete, often called the Iceman, known for doing things most people consider impossible, like climbing Mount Kilimanjaro in shorts, running a half marathon above the Arctic Circle barefoot, and sitting in ice baths for nearly 2 hours without freezing. But his real legacy isn't just the records. It's the method. The Wim Hof Method combines 3 core elements: controlled breathing, cold exposure, and mindset training. Together, they help the body and mind become more resilient, more focused, and more calm under pressure. The breathing technique is the foundation. It begins with 30 to 40 deep, rhythmic breaths in through the nose or mouth and out without force. Then you exhale fully and hold your breath. When your body signals the need to breathe, you inhale, hold for about 15 seconds, then release. That's 1 round. Most people repeat it 3 to 4 times. This breathing alters the levels of oxygen and carbon dioxide in your body, putting you in a calm yet alert state. Research shows it can reduce inflammation, lower stress, sharpen focus, and even strengthen the immune system. But how did it start? After the sudden death of his wife, Wim Hof was searching for a way to cope with overwhelming grief. Through cold exposure and deep breathing, he found not just relief, but strength. He kept experimenting, developing a method that helped him mentally, emotionally, and physically. Eventually, science took notice. Researchers discovered that Wim could voluntarily influence his autonomic nervous system, something previously believed to be impossible. That's the power of the Wim Hof Method. It's not about being extreme. It's about unlocking what's already inside you: your breath, your willpower, your ability to stay calm under pressure, and using it to live better. Whether you're looking to reduce anxiety, improve focus, or build discipline, this is one method worth exploring. Breathe in, let go, and keep showing up with intention.